Today we will see how to draw a tree with no leaves in Pictoblock interface. So we go to the Pictoblock interface and start coding for tree with no leaves. The first thing what we need to do is we need to resize our sprite Toby. So by default it is 100. So I will make it to 50 and I'll press enter. Now I go to event and I say when green flag is clicked. Okay, why I say green flag? So that I can execute my program. Without green flag can we execute? No, we can't execute a program. Then I want to add an extension. I require clean slate. Why? Because I want to draw something, right? So before drawing I require clean slate, so I need to add an extension. So go to plus sign at the bottom, add extension, click on it and search for pen. Then I say erase all, I say pen up. Then I go to motions and I say x and y axis. So x axis I will keep 0 and y axis I will keep minus 150. Why minus 150? I want somewhere, look at my cursor, and it will be somewhere from this point. Okay, from this point I need to start drawing tree. See, exactly from this point I want my tree to be drawn. Okay, then I say point in 90 direction. Okay, then I go to pen and I'll choose the nice color. I'll take a random color. Okay, send pen color to, I say, okay, I will take red. Okay, fine, set pen color to red and then I say erase all and I say pen down. Okay, we finish with the first part. Then I will go to my blocks and I will create a block. I go to my blocks and I say make a block and I type pattern of tree. So I'll say pattern, add an input, I say steps and I add one more input, size, and I say okay. So how many inputs I have? I have two inputs. One is pattern, no, one is steps and one is size. So I go to control and I say if and else. Now I search for an operator. I go for operator and I search for greater than. So if steps is equal to 1, okay, if steps is equal to 1, what it should do? It should move, right? So I go to motions and I say move 10 steps. So I don't want to specify 10, so I want to specify size. Okay, and then turn how many degree? 30 degree. Okay, and then I will call my block. So I go to my blocks and I will call my block, that is pattern. Now I will give a operator. Okay, so I go to operator and I search for minus. Okay, here there is minus. Fine. So what minus? So steps minus 1 and then I say divide by, what divide by? Size. Size divided by, I say 1.5 I will take. Okay, size divided by 1.5 or we'll take it 2. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I'll say size divided by 2 and then I go to motions and I say turn, I say 60 degrees. I say 60 degrees and then I go for to blocks again and I call my block because I want to give a pattern, right? So again I will want a operator. So I go to operator and I search for minus and I say steps minus 1 and then I want divide, that is size divided by 2. Okay, and then I go to motions and I say turn 30 degrees. and then I go to move. Okay, 10 steps. So I want an operator. So this time I will take a multiple. Okay, I multiply by. So what to multiply by? If steps is minus 1 means what? It should come back. Okay, so if steps move minus 1, that is come back. Okay, from wherever you are, into, I say, size. Okay, into size. Okay, and then or else you need to stop the script, otherwise it will go on continuing. So I say stop all. So drop down is there, click on drop down and say this script. The script needs to stop, otherwise it will go on continue. And I go to blocks and I close my script. I call my pattern and I give steps 9. Okay, and I give size as 100. We'll see what happens. And run the program. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's drawing way. I don't know what is happening. Okay, so I stop it and I need to go to motions and I say 0.90 degrees. Okay, so before 90 degrees, if this is 90, can you see this pointing the direction 90? So I will make it 0 and see what happens. I'll make it 0 and I'll run the program. Yes, I think it's done. Yes, it's a drawing. Perfect. Yes. How do I make it fast? I right click on the block. Look at my cursor. Right click on the block and I say edit. Okay, run without screen refresh. Tick mark and say okay. And then run the program. Yes, so I want my Toby to be in a proper direction. Okay, so I go to motions again and I say point in 90 direction. I'll bring it down here and I'll run the program and see. Yes, my Toby is in the proper place. So I want my tree to be bigger. So what I do? So I said what is step divided by 2? I will make it 1.5 and then again I will make 1.5 and then run the program. Yes, perfect. You can change it. I'll say 1.4, 1.4. Yes, and run the program. Perfect. My tree is done. So understood, students? Kindly practice these codes. Okay, it's a simple code with one block. Thank you, students.